welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Walmart beauty box, and I actually got this like 2 weeks ago, but I didn't have time to unbox it because of school and all of that. And well, today I actually had time, so that's what I'm doing today. It was covered in plastic. Okay, so let's see, what did we get this time? Okay, so this is what it looks like, and as usual it comes with a card. So inside of the card it tells me the products that come inside of the box, and it also comes with the prices, so that's pretty cool. And on the back it just talks about the Cetaphil and CeraVe products. Anyways, let's begin. So the first product in here, it is the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Repair Leave-In Mince and Condition. Apply a generous amount of product to ends of damp hair and work towards roots. Comb through for even distribution. Do not rinse. Apply more to the ends of longer hair or problem areas. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this, and also let me know if you guys like it. But I'm super excited to try this out. So the full size of this sample is $5.97. It says, crafted with moisturizing shea butter formula and infused with avocado oil. Our newest repair cream penetrates deeply to prevent breakage, repair split-ends, and increase your hair's manageability. Okay, let's see the next thing in here. It is the Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. I actually got one of these in the giveaway that I won. This Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel, clinically proven to improve your dry skin with a unique formula that sinks right in, helping to relieve uncomfortable dryness for all skin types. So the full size of this retails for $5.99. Okay, let's see the next product here. It is by number 7. Cool. Okay, so this one is the Advanced Retinol 1.5% Complex Night Concentrate Skin Transforming Accelerator. And this is what it looks like. And this one, it says, experience the power of retinol while minimizing irritation with this skin transforming overnight treatment. So I'm excited to try this out. Kickstart surface skin renewal from first application, working night after night to deliver visibly younger looking skin. Lines look smoother, skin tone looks even, skin appears firm and lifted, skin appears brighter and more radiant, pores and texture look refined. Okay, so the full size of this costs $34.98. So I'm super excited to try this out. Hopefully I look like I'm 18 by the time I'm done using this. Okay, let's see the next thing in here. It is a Cetaphil product, and this one is the Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. Nourishes to deeply replenish skin's hydration for 48 hours. Hydrosensitive complex. So this is what it looks like. It is a cute little sample here, and let's see. This lightweight cream provides deep 48-hour hydration that improves the overall quality of sensitive skin over time. And the full size retails for $16.97. So I'm super excited to try this out because I do have sensitive skin. So hopefully this works for me. The next product, it is, okay, so they sent me the New Stronger Hold Perfect Edges Argan Oil from Morocco with exotic shine, non-flaking, non-sticky, non-greasy formula. Cream of nature with argan oil from Morocco. So this is what it looks like. I feel like they sent me this last month, but the inside looks really cool. It kind of looks like honey. I mean, it is honey. There's a picture right there. It looks like honey. Yeah, this is the full size, and this retails for $4.56. Okay, now the last product, it is a My Bite, and this is a guilt-free chocolatey vitamins. Okay, I'm super excited for this because I love chocolate, and these are vitamins, so I feel like I need to eat a whole bottle. I'm just kidding. So this is what it looks like, and it looks like it does have peanuts. Kind of looks like a Snicker. Hopefully it tastes like a Snicker. Satisfy your sweet tooth with a complete multivitamin enveloped in chocolatey goodness with layers of caramel, peanuts, and nougat. The full size retails for $11.96. And it is a 60-day supply. And this is what the full size looks like. Oh, and I think I got one of each. Look at that. Can I eat all of these today? Cute little samples here. My mouth is getting watery. Okay, I think I'm going to try this one. This one's the multi-vitamin. Oh, these are so tiny. I was expecting like a whole, like a big chunk like this. But this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like my dog's vitamins. It smells like chocolate. It smells really good. It kind of smells like dark chocolate. It tastes really good, but when you're chewing it, you kind of get that smell of that, like the vitamins, but it's not that bad. Like the chocolate flavor covers it in the peanuts and the nougat. The nougat's good. I like it. I think I'm just going to buy these vitamins just to eat chocolate every day. So anyways, that is everything that came in my Walmart beauty box. This month was pretty good. The only thing that I didn't like was the cream of nature argan oil, because I don't really use anything on my hair, like literally only shampoo, conditioner, and sometimes like dry shampoo, but other than that I don't like putting hairspray or anything like that on my hair. But anyways, I will be passing this on to someone else. Hopefully it works for them. So yeah, anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.